Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Toyota Prius trunk from the inside. First, you need to locate the emergency release handle. This crucial safety feature is found within the trunk compartment itself, usually on the trunk lid's interior. It's designed to be easily accessible in an emergency, ensuring you can always exit the trunk if needed. This simple method provides peace of mind and quick access. To find the handle, simply climb into the trunk and look up at the inside of the trunk lid. You'll typically spot a small, brightly colored lever, often in a vibrant yellow or orange, which might even glow in the dark. This design ensures it's highly visible, even in low-light conditions, making it easy to locate when you need it most. Once you've located the handle, the next step is straightforward. Simply grasp the handle firmly and pull it towards you with a steady motion. This action directly activates the trunk's internal release mechanism, causing the trunk lid to unlatch and pop open. It's a quick and effective way to open the trunk from the inside, requiring minimal effort. Remember, this emergency release feature is designed for safety, primarily to allow someone to exit the trunk if accidentally trapped. It's crucial to always double-check that the trunk is empty before closing it to prevent any accidents. Taking a moment to understand all your vehicle's safety features can be incredibly beneficial in various situations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.